Don't give up. When your reputation is damaged because you are trying to be faithful to Jesus. Matthew 5:11 says, "Blessed are you when people insult you, persecute you, and falsely say all kinds of evil against you because of me." Don't give up. There is a harvest soon. Galatians 6:9 says, "Let us not become weary in doing good, for at the proper time we will reap a harvest if we do not give up." Don't give up. God is with you. Isaiah 41:10 says, "So do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand." Don't give up. When waiting on God seems endless. Isaiah 40:30-31 says, "Even youths grow tired and weary, and young men stumble and fall. But those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. They will soar on wings like eagles. They will run and not grow weary." Don't give up. God has a plan for you. Jeremiah 29:11 says, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future." Don't give up. Remember, God is faithful. Hebrews 10:23 says, "Let us hold fast the confession of our hope without wavering, for he who promised is faithful." Don't give up. Nothing is too hard for God. Jeremiah 32:27 says, "I am the Lord, the God of all mankind. Is anything too hard for me?" Don't give up, for your work will be rewarded. 2 Chronicles 15:7 says, "But as for you, be strong and do not give up, for your work will be rewarded." Don't give up. God will not forsake you. Deuteronomy 31:6 says, "Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid or terrified because of them, for the Lord your God goes with you. He will never leave you nor forsake you." Don't give up. God will carry your burden. Psalm 55:22 says, "Cast your burden on the Lord, and He will sustain you. He will never permit the righteous to be moved." Don't give up. God will fulfill all your needs. Philippians 4:19 says, "And my God will meet all your needs according to the riches of His glory in Christ Jesus." Don't give up. God cares for you. 1 Peter 5:7 says, "Cast all your anxiety on Him because He cares for you." Don't give up. You will receive the crown of life. James 1:12 says, "Blessed is the man who remains steadfast under trial, for when he has stood the test, he will receive the crown of life, which God has promised to those who love Him."